Hello, welcome back to this playlist about CentrifyCLI. This is part two, and we are going to install CentrifyCLI and put it to action. So first and foremost, let's take a look at what we got here. We got a Centrify tenant, my example tenant, and we've gone to GitHub to the Centrify site, and we've looked to our CentrifyCLI. We're going to go to releases and under here, you're going to see the assets. And since this is a Windows machine, I'm going to download the version for Windows. Okay, once downloaded, I can expand it. So now I have expanded it into CCLI. I'm going to combine it with PowerShell. And CCLI has a simple syntax. For example, so I have CCLI, typically verb. For example, if I wanted to um, uh, bootstrap, I would just use the bootstrap verb. But let's just access an API. So, for example, the sysinfo version tells you the version of the tenant. So, in this case, it would be sysinfo version, and then we have to specify the URL. So this should bring back the payload from that API that corresponds to the version of the machine. So there's a typo. It's not sysinfo. And these are the things that happen. So now, with that corrected, I should be able to see the payload. And in this case, it will return the version of the cloud service. So that's more or less the syntax. In the next video, we're going to see it in action and see how powerful it can be with a practical example about how to use an enrollment code to activate a Centrify connector.